Okay, one of the problems, common problems I run into with my skid steers during the winter months plowing is battery issues. That's what we're looking at today. It's into Bobcat 763. So what I'm running into today, turn the key on to run. You can see glow plugs, battery light. I'd say a low voltage. Let's see what the voltage on this battery is. Looks like we got a Duralast battery. Let's test this out. I got my jump box here. And of course, let's check, see how charged this is. 100%. Alright, they made the leads on this very short. They definitely should have made these a lot longer. I have to set it on a bucket just to get it close enough. Alright, so I'm looking at this, and this is extremely loose, this ground. That could probably have everything to do with why it's not starting right now. So, problem is, look how much room they give you between this handle. There is no room to work in here whatsoever, so let's just take this off and see what we need to get to try to tighten this up. Go ahead and give this a try. It might have just been the ground connection all along. Let's check this out. Alright, seems pretty dead. Let's test, let's jump this thing, get it started, make sure the alternator's good. Solid 12. Let's turn on the boost. Gave us a couple points higher. Let's see if that starts. Another thing you got to do on these G-series machines, this panel won't let you get the battery out. It just hits right here. So you actually got to take this off. It's not too hard. Never ideal having to remove stuff, but so you take that out, and then there's room to get the battery out. $4.16. Alright, I'm back. I found some more buckets in the dumpster over there. Some more buckets for salt. Check out those wings. The crazy piece. I didn't like the gaps, you know? I didn't like those gaps. What do we get? Duralast Gold. On. Thing my guy was complaining about, he said the hydraulic oil light came on. Yeah, it's still registering, but it's definitely at the end. At least it's still showing something. A little low though. These things pretty much just reach a certain age to where they just leak. You don't even know where, but it's leaking somewhere inside it. I mean, you basically reach a point with these machines where the underbelly just has oil in it all the time from it leaking somewhere. So you're always losing a little bit. Okay.